Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and a backup. This prevents lockouts. Next, check whether your interface uses DHCP versus static addressing and write down the IP4, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS shown. Then open the appropriate network settings panel, Windows, Settings right arrow Network and Internet, Mac OS, System Preferences right arrow Network. Once there, select the active adapter so you're ready to change the IP configuration without guessing values or losing connectivity. You now change the addressing method. Choose manual or static to set a fixed IP or keep DHCP if the router assigns addresses. When static, enter the IP, the subnet mask, the gateway, and primary and secondary DNS. Double-check digits to avoid conflicts. If using DHCP, use the renew option. On Windows, run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew. And on Mac OS/Linux, use sudo dhclient r, then sudo dhclient. Once applied, verify the adapter shows the intent. You finish by verifying connectivity. Ping the gateway, ping 88888, and then resolve a domain name to confirm DNS. If you lack connectivity, make sure you haven't set a duplicate IP or the wrong subnet and that the gateway and DNS entries match your network. If problems persist, revert to your recorded previous settings or perform a network reset. One key troubleshooting tip: use another device on the same network to confirm whether the issue is local to your machine or a wider network fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.